Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the AGP series. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for today's video. So we are going to learn about AGP. What we know about AGP is that in AGP, for every term, half of the term would be in AP and half of the term would be in GP. Okay. So to get a better understanding, we'll learn it through the examples. I'll solve two examples so as to get a better clarity of the concept. Okay. So let's take an example one. So question one says that 2x plus 5x square plus 8x cube plus 11x to the power 4 up till infinity, and we have to find the sum of the terms. Okay, so as you can see that 2, 5, 8, 11, they are in AP. Okay, so and the common difference is 3. Okay, and when we talk about x square, x cube, x to the power 4, they are in GP and the common ratio is x. Okay, so what we first do is we take whole of the equation as equation 1 and we write it is equal to k. Okay, so k is equal to 2x plus 5x square plus 8x cube plus 11x to the power 4 and so on up till infinity, and this is the equation 1. For equation 2, what we do is equation 2 is equal to equation 1 into the common ratio. Okay, so we have a equation 2 as kx is equal to 2x square plus 5x cube plus 8x to the power 4 and so on up till infinity, and this is our equation 2. Now what we do is equation subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, so what do we get? We get k minus kx, so we get k common and we get 1 minus x is equal to, see, 2x will come out as it is because it does not have we do not have any term with single x. Okay, in the power of only 1, we do not have it in the second equation, so 2x will come out as it is. And for others, what do we get? See, we subtract 5x to 2x to the 2x square from 5x square. What do we get? We get 3x square. Okay, we subtract 5x cube from 8x cube, we get 3x cube. Okay, we subtract 8x to the power 4 from 11x to the power 4, we get 3x to the power 4, and so on it will continue. Okay, so what we will write is 3x square plus 3x cube plus 3x to the power 4 and so on up till infinity. Okay, now if you see this part, it is an infinite GP. Okay, it is an infinite GP whose first term is 3x square and the common ratio is x. Okay, so we can find the sum of all these terms with the help of formula which is we have from infinite GP, that is a divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so what do we get? We get 3x square divided by 1 minus x. So what can we write it as? K 1 minus x is equal to 2x plus the sum of all these terms, that is 3x square divided by 1 minus x. Okay, so now let's solve it. K is equal to, or let's not write k as it is now. Okay, so k 1 minus x is equal to 2x minus 2x square plus 3x square divided by 1 minus x. What do we get? We get k is equal to x square plus 2x divided by 1 minus x whole square, and this is a final answer. Okay, so this is the final answer. I hope you have understood it. If not, we are going to solve one more question so that we can understand it in a much better way. So let's take a question 2. So a question 2 is 3 divided by 5 plus 7 divided by 5 square plus 11 divided by 5 cube plus 15 divided by 5 to the power 4 and up till infinity. Okay, so we know what we have to do. We have to first find out the common ratio because we need only that. It is 1 by 5 in this case. Now we have to write a first equation. K is equal to 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5 square plus 11 by 5 cube plus 15 by 5 to the power 4 and so on up till infinity. That is our equation 1. For equation 2, we have to multiply equation 1 with common ratio. So what do we get? We get k divided by 5 is equal to 3 divided by 5 square plus 7 divided by 5 cube plus 11 divided by 5 to the power 4 plus 15 Okay, let's not write it because it will cause confusion. Okay, so up till infinity it is. Okay, so this is our equation 2. Now in this, what you can see is, what you have to do is, now you have to subtract the equation 2 from equation 1. So what do we get? We get 4k by 5. Okay, 4k by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 square plus 4 by 5 cube plus 4 by 5 to the power 4 and so on up till infinity. Okay, so now what you can see is this part forms a infinite GP. Okay, and the infinite GP, the first term is, that is a is equal to 4 by 5 square, and we have a common ratio as 1 by 5. Okay, so we'll find the sum of the infinite GP. So we'll find it by the formula a divided by 1 minus r. So we have 4 divided by 5 square divided by 1 minus 1 by 5. So what do we have? 4 divided by 5 square into 5 divided by 4. Okay, so what do we get? We get it as 1 by 5. So let's write the equation again. So we have 4k by 5. 4k by 5 is equal to 4k by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus what do we have? We have the sum of the infinite series as 1 by 5. Okay, so this is what we have. What we do is 4k by 5 is equal to 5 and 4 here, 4 gone, 5 gone, we have k is equal to 1, and that will be our answer. Now I hope it is clear to everyone. So thanks for watching the video, guys.